Nonprofit Board Leadership Program is a hands-on experience where current MBA students are connected with a nonprofit partner.
When I saw that there was an opportunity to do a project with Limit Lincoln Center, I was so excited to see it on the list.
We came up with this project in order to sort of address the sea of data that we had created with all of our partner festivals and try to figure out ways that we could level up each individual production.
It was really great to be able to kind of dive deep into the data and really use that in a way to drive the cultural mission forward of the institution.
It really made it a seamless experience, from getting to go behind the scenes and attend their board meetings, meeting Ronnie and Matt in person.
I think it's been a real win-win for the nonprofit, the student, and for me as a mentor.
I would love to be part of the media world, making movie-going a collective experience that brings people together. And my time at Columbia Business School, I came here trying to get closer to that.
CBS is really unique in that it's dynamic, it's in the heart of New York, and so to give students a practical, hands-on opportunity to connect with community players is really important.
The Brotherhood Sister Soul is a youth development and social justice organization. Our voyage into the environmental justice world actually started with Nando. And one of the things that Nando did when he was in high school was design a food waste composter, which is called the Hot Box.
So the composting project really came down to two main components. One of them was reducing the cost structure of building the actual composting boxes.
And we're ultimately able to reduce those costs by 50%. It means we could do a lot more hot boxes, get a lot more compost out there.
It's giving the shop owners an opportunity to provide something to the community that's throughout the entire life cycle of that product stayed within the community. It's a self-contained ecosystem and it's very much Harlem.
They came with a business plan that I think could work for every community green space in the city and in any city.
I'm going back into consulting and hoping to do more pro bono work, and then would love to join a board sometime in the future and help these organizations that are really making a difference in the communities and having a true impact.